Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. This is a quick video today. Received a parcel here from Bannisters here in the UK, kindly sent to me by Richard Bannister. This is some oil seals that hopefully have been sent from my order. I thought we'd open these up, see what we've got, and have a little look at where they fit in the hubs and in the inner and outer tractor joints. Okay, so look what we've got there. Okay, good stuff. So here's the package we've been sent. I've already got some of these seals, so this is just a few extras from some of the other wheel stations. I thought it might be useful to take a look at these. Okay, let's see what we've got. Some replacement washers for the front of the hubs. This piece here just behind the nut, one of those was damaged when we took them off. Some large O-ring seals, very large O-ring seals there. And we've got a couple of the tractor joint seals and a couple of the inner hub seals and an outer hub seal there. So this is a set of seals for a wheel station, one complete set. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just go through quickly, show up on screen the NATO stock numbers for each of these items, so help you when you're ordering them up, and we'll also show you where they go and on what drawings you can find them. So the first oil seal is the one for the hub here, main hub seal. The second one is the one for the ball joint, fits at this point here. And the third one is the seal here for the drive shaft. So looking at the seals needed, we've got large O-ring seal, which fits here, around this point here. You've got the seal for the ball joint, which fits here. That's that seal. And the final seal you've got for the inner tractor joint housing is this flat cork seal, which fits in the sliding housing at this point here. Obviously fits all the way around the housing. Okay, so I hope that's a useful quick overview. Please do like and subscribe. It's really useful to know that these videos are helping you guys. You're finding them useful and interesting. Lots more videos to come. So one other part I thought you guys might be interested in, just a new old stock part, some replacement hub nut washers. Let's open this packet up, see what we've got here. Okay, so this was a pack of 5, bought a couple. So there's a replacement you've seen in my previous video, the damaged hub nut washer. So there's a good replacement for that. So we'll be refitting those in one of the future videos when we're rebuilding the hubs. And we can see packed away on the 5th month 1966, now ready to be used and refitted. Good stuff. Thanks guys, please do like and subscribe.